Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Hey, you can now sync dotloop to Brokermint. So an agent can start the transaction in dotloop simply by creating the loop. It'll get synced into Brokermint for your admin, the broker, the transaction coordinator, and they can leverage those awesome transaction tools, the commission splits, and then have it synced into QuickBooks using Brokermint's awesome QuickBooks integration. Let me show you how to set up this dotloop to Brokermint sync. Here we are in Brokermint. So I'm actually going to just scroll on down to Add-Ons. And here you can see a bunch of helpful integrations for Brokermint. Here's that QuickBooks integration I mentioned earlier. We are looking for the API Nation integration. It's a tile that allows you to connect Brokermint to a bunch of different apps. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click Configure. And here you go. Here's all the integrations Brokermint has available for it. Here's that QuickBooks integration again. We also can connect to LionDesk. You can connect it to MailChimp and have all your agents put on a single newsletter. You can connect to Google Calendar. That way all the office important dates are placed on your Google Calendar and you can plan out your month. We are going to connect to dotloop. So here we go. You can see your dotloop loops are going to go right into Brokermint as transactions. And here's the template. You can see at the top, we've connected Brokermint and we need to connect dotloop. I'm going to click Use the template. It says, please connect the apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click this dotloop logo. It's going to take me out to dotloop where all I have to do is sign in. Great, you can see the logo is now lit up. And we're going to go ahead and click use this template again and select my dotloop profile. Hit save. So now we've connected both apps and we're just going to configure it. So I'm going to select all the profiles here. I want all of those transactions getting sent into Brokermint. You can go ahead and pick which ones you'd like. Hit apply. And then once they're inserted into Brokermint, I can choose if I want to make them public or private. I can make these public, that way my whole team can see them. It's all configured. We just need to hit run. And that's it. The workflow is up and active. Now, anytime an agent or anybody else in your office creates a loop in dotloop, it'll automatically make that same loop as a transaction in Brokermint. You can now use these two apps as one. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Here we are in dotloop. I'll go ahead and add a loop. And there we go. We've started the loop. You can go ahead and enter in all the additional information here. Now let's hop into Brokermint and take a look at that new transaction from the loop. We're going to come over here to transactions, check out these incoming transactions, and here we are. Here's our 555 Main Street. There's the information that we entered into dotloop. And now we can go ahead and continue this transaction in Brokermint. And that's how easy it is. Your agent can go ahead and enter those loops, and you can pick them up in Brokermint, finish them off, and then have them synced to QuickBooks. So we hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, ideas, thoughts, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.